If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Many people who believe in the blessing of God also believe that there is no criteria to qualify for such blessings. Looking at bearers of these blessings, it seems like good things happen to good people. On Sunday, 23rd of June 2024, the family of Chief Nze Kingsley Okpala IKEMBA, one of UGBENE, Okanot, amidst friends, family, and well-wishers in thanksgiving to God, celebrated the gift of triplets in the persons of Enyinnia, Enyimba, and Ebubedike Nze.
Long life and prosperity.
The triplets celebrated their one-year birthday at Heroesville, Maryland Estate, 33 Onitsha. The event attracted people from different walks of life, including the chairman of Maryland Estate, Barrister Sir Jonathan Egono, who graced the event to celebrate with his brother and friend, IKEMBA one of UGBENE.
The man they made a hero, oh, a brother and a friend indeed. Yes. So, Nyamelin did not hear. Makaifo Machukumbelofa. Or the his emo. No full emo.
It was also an opportunity to celebrate 20 years of friendship between Nze family and the Reverend Father Peter Chikilwe of St. Michael's Parish, Abagana.
Over 25 years ago. Friendship on a habit. So now, if I'm working in a bar, I've been military. So now just use on Kemo. So I will every cause to be here to give thanks to God.
Also at the event, the parish priest of St. Peter's Catholic Church Parish, Reverend Father Justin Ezechukwu, advised couples looking for the fruit of the womb to trust God as he prayed God to bless the triplets and their parents and provide them with resources. The colorful event also witnessed a massive turnout of the youths of Maryland Estate, 33 Onitsha, who graced the event with Ogene Group to celebrate with the sponsor of Unity Entertainment Football Tournament. The chairman of Fisher FC at Maryland Estate, Engineer Ezenu Hillary, described the father of the triplets, Chief Nze Kingsley, Okpala, IKEMBA one of UGBENE, as a man with a big heart who uses his foundation to touch lives as well as supporting the youth with advice and resources.
In fact, it's a thing of joy for us, and when we had the news, we have no other way than to come and celebrate with him.
Speaking about the celebrant at the event, the president of Unity Entertainment Football Tournament described the CEO of Heroes Nigeria Limited as a peaceful and straightforward person who believes in engaging the youths positively rather than chasing them away.
Organizing this ball also put that now. No, it's a street, not by wrong places.
The man who trained the celebrant in business, Mr. Chedi H. Uzoebu, described him as a truthful and industrious person who deserves all the good things happening to him.
All the so much industrious and all the focus and all the equation. So Nyaka Oji Mexico on a struggle so much.
The managing director of Heroes Nigeria Limited and also the father of Ebubedike, Enyinnia and Enyimba Nze, Chief Nze Kingsley, Okpala, IKEMBA one of UGBENE, stated that though he doesn't pray much but work and instruct much, God answers all his prayers, blessing him with the best wife, children, and siblings.
By God from Adam, everything I've asked God, He has done for me. Okay. So there's nothing God has denied me except what I've not asked for. Okay. Everything. So that's why I answer to boy him with my best friend for everything. So in total, I have 9 children now. Yes. Okay. So everything I needed in life, God has given to me. Okay. He gave me the best wife, the best brothers and sisters. Everything I need.
Highlights of the event was games, dance competition, cutting of cake by the celebrants, amongst others. From Maryland Estate, 33 Onitsha, Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie reporting.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.